So guys, what has been going on? Or maybe allow me to quickly. Okay, everything is fine here. I wanted to make a last check. Yeah, so I had a little bit of a break from live streaming, as you probably noticed. I mean, some people surely have noticed because this channel is subscribed by 180 people as we speak. So, someone must be watching the content I create here at least a little bit. So yeah, I've been very busy making applications, decentralized application for the app for high tech, and also a native DApp wallet for high tech. High tech is the only project I promote here, and I always say it will stay that way. And it's turbo interesting. It's very interesting. I think you should get to know it in the description section of this live stream. You will find all links necessary to learn about it, how to use it, what it is for. It's amazingly useful. It's literally the most useful crypto you ever came across or have come across. But speaking of the broad crypto market, as you probably started to see, yeah, we are having quite a good time these recent couple of days. It continues to be the case. I mean, today we have a little bit more of red, as you see here and there, like OG. I have no idea what the OG is. OG fund token. Okay, this is a fund token. That it does not count then. But storage, for example, rank 685. Wow, it's a very far place. And Fed 85. I have a trade on both of these. Those trades are doing very well. Storage is doing very well. This one is Fed. And as you see, it is at plus 33% in profit, which is absolutely amazing. Kudos to my trading system and my algorithm. And this one is storage. And as always, I got no idea what is the narrative behind those two. I mean, but I think it's focused around AI, although I'm not 100% sure. Some people could throw at me right now. How come you do not know what narrative has this coin, what narrative leads this coin or the other coin? Well, it's because it's absolutely unnecessary to know when you trade the coin. I do not invest in those coins, I trade them. So that's why. And on top of it, I trade them through my trading systems. I do not trade them manually. So the only thing my system have to know is what is the setup on the price chart. And that's it. So yeah, this one, as you see, it showed up shortly after the entry, but later it gave back a little bit of gains, and now it's back at it, and it's continuing to move up. So that's remarkably good. Remarkably good. I like to see something like that. So Bitcoin itself, of course, it is also on the move. As I was predicting, I was preaching that you should not be betting against crypto in the first quarter of 2026, and this is something that stands in a complete opposition to what you probably have heard from all of the rest of the people commenting about the space. Well, one of the reasons, and it's a really good reason, is that 2025 was a red yearly candle, right? It gave us a red yearly candle. And if you haven't noticed, whenever we get red yearly candle, it means two following yearly candles are going to be green. I mean, according to the historical statistics we've got today. So at least we have a very decent chance for some sizable recovery really in the first quarter, right? Maybe for the first time we are about to get second red candle in a row, but the power of statistics is something not to joke about, not to underestimate, not to stand against. So at least first quarter will be good. To be honest, I believe the whole of 2026 generally will be a very good year for crypto. That does not mean it will go in straight line up or 45 degrees angle towards the upside. Absolutely not. Of course, there will be some shakeouts, there will be some corrections in between, but overall I expect it to be a very good year. Why? Because same as on other chart that's supposed to represent the altcoin market, as on the Bitcoin chart, 2025 was a red candle and was a red year, and that reset yearly chart. Right, so I think that's a power to respect. Guys, if you have any questions, of course, let me know in the comment section. Unfortunately, I will not see. Wow, it goes at 60 frames per second. That's crazy. I will not see some of the comments here, like for example on X. I will not see folks commenting on X unless I enable it on my phone. Let me see. You guys comment there. Yeah, I've got it. Okay. If you guys write anything, I will see it on my phone. So it's looking good. Bitcoin is looking good. Finally, 1 year is a very long time to convince people nothing gonna happen here. It's over. Now it will take years before we see any sizable pumps, anything worth of our interest. And that's good. That's very good, because in order for this market to really move up, the faith in it must be at its lowest. This is how a bottom, if you haven't noticed through all of these years, this is how bottoms form, right? Bottoms do not form when the interest is high. Bottoms form when the interest is the lowest, right? Because popular belief is how this market is going to pump if people are not buying. So how is it going to pump? But bear markets end at the lowest interest. So how come they form at the lowest interest when the lowest amount of people is buying, right? And still market reverse. Haven't that come across your mind? To give it like 5 minutes, and it's due to market mechanics, and I explain here nearly on every single live stream, right? Whenever the order book on the sell side is empty, whatever buying pressure makes the price to move up in huge jumps. It's simple like that. On top of that, if we join it with derivatives market, which is nothing else but betting market, then it makes market manipulation even easier, right? The low interest, empty order book make it even easier to manipulate the market and bet against the majority on derivatives market, right? So on the spot, it will cost you little to push the price up because there is nobody left to sell, nobody left to stop you out on you pumping up the price, only some small fish. And you can open a large, thick, long on the derivatives market, on futures market, where everyone and their mother are betting on this market to go even lower because that is what they have seen for the last 365 days. And some of them made even money that way. Some of them have been even making money like that in a consistent manner for 365 days. So now they're 100% sure. This is the only thing you should be doing. So yeah, that is the moment in which markets reverse, and they do it in a very violent way and do it for quite a long time because people are in denial. Right? They look at it, they stare at it, they get liquidated left and right whenever they try to short the market, and they still insist it must go down because the things went so bad. The geopolitical scene is so full of bad stories and what bad is about to happen to the world, even though nobody really has a crystal ball and nobody knows the future for 100%. But markets do not care about it. What markets care about is what is the market mechanics, what is the setup, right? How difficult it will be to pump the price and win the bet on futures market. That is the only thing that the big players care about, right? But the small player believes it's all about investing and there is not much secret to it, and that the people must be interested in a given asset in order to pump it up. Meanwhile, it's for the most time it's actually the opposite. Not always, like let's say 80% of the time. If you have any questions, of course, ask me in the live chat. And by the way, get interested in high tech. I'm telling you, high tech is literally the most interesting crypto right now. This is the wallet, the native wallet. This is how it looks. Here we have a special referral program right here. So if anyone installs this wallet with your referral link, you will get 1 cent on every single transaction of that invited. On that invitee. 1 cent, I mean, not literally 1 cent USD, but 1 cent USD value in high tech will be paid to you. So if you're a skilled promoter, or you have a large following, or you have a large, I don't know, Telegram group, Facebook group, WhatsApp group, you can keep collecting money pretty quickly because 100 transactions and it gives you $1, right? 10,000 transactions and it gives you $100. If you think 10,000 transactions is a lot, watch the tutorial about high-tech wallet and what it is for. This is a crypto that gives the most useful functionality, period. Not only in the crypto space, period. In finance, period. There is no more useful functionality as of now, as of today, outside of what high-tech wallet offers. It solves the biggest problem of transacting P2P, face-to-face at distance. It secures side A and side B, and in a way nothing else can secure it to that degree of safety. So look it up because it's definitely worth it, I guarantee. So by the way, on Bitcoin, I'm in a trade right now, and that trade is at plus 4.31% in profit, and it started here. Last it was actually a fake out, then it renewed entry, re-entered, and right now it's in profit. And what is even more interesting is the fact that on hourly candle, because my system, they trade on 2 intervals, one 50-minute, another one is hourly, and hourly last time it exited at 108,000. It was a loss trade. It was almost minus 6%, which is nothing out of the ordinary. That's actually the average loss whenever you choose to trade aggressively on my algorithm. 6% is the average loss size. But yeah, this interval on my algorithm is much more accurate. It trades much less frequent. It also skips a little bit more than I would desire, before it enters. That's why I rather prefer to trade on 15-minute, even though it gives me much more fake outs. But because it enters much earlier, it compensates, right? But it's not what I want to talk about in this case. What I want to point out is that it has much better hit rate than a 15-minute time frame, and it's already allocated into the Bitcoin market. Right. So that's something big. That's nothing to underestimate, nothing to ignore. Because let's say if 15-minute interval on my algorithm is in between, let's say 30 and 40% of hit rate, 1 hourly has maybe 40 to 70 at times. So it's much more accurate. Right. It could turn out to be a fake out, 100%. We'll see. But as I already try to show you, try to explain you, we just had a resetting candle on a yearly chart. Right? 2025 gave us a resetting candle. The candle of 2025 is a resetting candle, a red candle on crypto chart. So it makes sense, a perfect sense for the market now to start a new bull market, which on the Bitcoin chart will actually look like a continuation of the old bull market, right? Because we must remember all of these things we are staring at are measured against melting US dollar. US dollar that is melting like an ice cube. Yeah, makes perfect sense. Let me even show it to you just so you remember. Just so you are a little bit more aware. Look at this, right? If you go to Bitstamp chart, much more easy to notice, right? Red candle, then 2 green. One red candle, three green. One red candle, another 3 green. One red candle, another 2 green. And now 2025 for a red candle. And we are already starting with a green one, right? So my theory is that we already have bear market checked, right? On the yearly chart, the bear market on Bitcoin has been already checked. And on the other chart, it's actually literally the same, as you see. And here, of course, 2025 was much more harsh, minus 40% against minus few percent. How much it was actually? On Bitcoin, minus 6.33, right? So I was saying it on my Polish YouTube channel that whenever the majority is right, the win must be small, because this is a zero-sum game, meaning that if majority wins, their win is financed by a small group of people, small group of losers. That is why it is possible to gain so much here, because there is so many people that do it wrong. So, they throw their money into the bucket and the best take the bucket, right? Small group, small percent of market participants takes all of the bucket, right? And that's usually less than 1%. When we talk about long term, that's significantly less than 1%. So yeah, so it looks really, really good from that perspective. Even if something is about to change, like I said at the beginning, at least first quarter will be supported by the magic of a resetting yearly candle, right? It will be heavily influenced by that. So that's in the worst case scenario. So, if you have your strategy well in place, then highly likely will be able to recover all of the losses that it took in 2025. If your strategy is not in place and has never been in place, then your only chance to recover those funds is to get involved into high-tech. All of the links are in the description section of the live stream. And like I said, I just released a wallet for it. There is a tutorial also in the description section of the live stream. There is how to buy it, how to use it, how to do whatever with it, right? And it's actually not that difficult. Once you learn the use case of high-tech, you will be blown away. And once you start to use it, you will be blown away. You will easily be able to recover the losses you took in 2025. Why? Because the high-tech market is so small as of yet. It has so much room for growth, immense amount of room for growth. So let's take a look at sentiment, how the sentiment is doing. Probably a little bit better. Yeah, it's 42 on CMC. May I look at two indexes of crypto, Fear and Greed Index? Why? Because they differ slightly, so I'm taking the average out of it. So you see this one is showing 42 and this one is showing 26. So quite a difference, right? So that means that would be 66. The sum of it, 68. So 34. 34 is the average, right? So that's low. That's very low. So the sentiment is still low. So that's great. That's absolutely great, because we don't want it to get up too quickly, right? We don't want the temperature to rise too fast, because it means it will have to cool down. Yeah. Guys, share, like, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Follow me on X. Get interested in high-tech. Look it up, because there is also this referral program here that allows you to earn money. Whoever you invite, the invitee pays you 1 cent of value for every single transaction, every single contract opening. There is a special type of contracts that you can make here that secure your transactions. They're called MAD contract. Everything is in the tutorial for this wallet. Nothing gives you that degree of security. Nothing. There is not one single service or smart contract that allows you to make, let's say, a purchase, transact in such a safe manner. And it's open source as well. You can find the code on GitHub. You can review it. Is it safe? Is it not safe? This is literally the easiest trade on the internet, period. So yeah, okay, let's take a look what we've got on next today, like what stories are circulating around. Ledger suffers a new data breach. As per Zach XBT, Ledger has suffered another data breach via its payment processor Global E. That's not good. The breach reportedly exposed customers' personal information, including names and contact details. Yeah, that is going to be the problem of, whatever platforms related to crypto, like whatever, I don't know, transactions you make them, whatever deals, whatever transactions you make there, whatever deals you make there, whatever, I don't know, other functionalities you use there, it will keep happening, right? In case of high-tech wallet, nothing is stored, like it just simply does not ask you for a personal information. It's fully pseudonymous in that case. It's not anonymous because only Monero is anonymous, but Monero, I don't think it could even deliver such functionality as on a high-tech. So if somebody wants to be 100% anonymous, then we'll have to use high-tech in, let's say, conjunction with Monero. This one is funny. Elon Musk posted about Nicolas Maduro sitting at one cell with PDD, and he says, "It's okay, they took my oil too." This is so funny. This is so funny. I think this is one of the best memes I've seen today, if not the best. Now this one is the best for sure. So yeah, Nicolas Maduro got kidnapped. Is that the term? And well, kudos to people of Venezuela, because that guy, he completely ruined the country. So now Venezuelan people are going to have a little bit better life. They definitely deserve, because Latino people are great. I'm Slavic myself. I'm not Latino, but I was living with Latino crowd for many, many years, and they're great people. So he says, alt season officially starts tomorrow. I'm bullish. All of a sudden, I've seen so many folks, like literally yesterday, the day before yesterday, they were saying, no, altcoin market is not going to get up. That's pretty much over. Just the new ones will perform well. And now apparently they are slowly flipping. But in their case, most of the time we want them to be bullish. Sometimes we want them to be bearish. I mean, they're pretty much bullish all the time. And 99% of the time they're going to be wrong. When they are bearish, it's usually when you should enter the market. But because 99% of the time they are bullish, when they flip bearish and then flip bullish again, everyone ignores them. So that's the plus here, because normally I would be a little bit scared. The mainstream is calling again for a bull market or altcoin season. People have been so hurt throughout 2025 and burned throughout 2025 that probably pretty much everyone and their mother will completely ignore even largest, let's say, influencers right now calling for huge pumps around the corner. So yeah, the people are starting to notice slowly but firmly, mostly among the influencers, but the crowds, they will probably not join. When they do it, it's gonna be around March, I suppose, and that's the correct scenario, right? Because retail, they are for exit liquidity. They are not for earning money here. They are for exit liquidity. That's their use. That's their function. Yeah. Alright guys, allow me to wrap it up for now. Chill, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to take a deeper look into high-tech wallet. Again, all of the links you will find in the description section of this video. This is the most useful crypto in the world right now. Just watch the tutorial, you will quickly realize it. And on top of that, it has an amazing referral program. I think this is the best referral program out there, period. Right? So just sacrifice, invest your 30 minutes, and it's definitely not going to be a waste of time. So thank you guys for your time, and I'll see you sometime soon. Cheers.